Well, whoever shouted "Hail Caesar," you've a lot to answer for. Holy mother of God, look at this. Oh, ouch, oh blimey. Whoa. Ironic, isn't it? Look at bright sunshine on the horizon. And just look and listen to that hail. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Woohoo! Good job I made it back from Asda before that came down. Oh, hey. The sun's catching the stones there. You can see them literally fall. And yet you can see how isolated it is. Just look at the blue sky. It's easing now, but I mean, look. Ouch. Oh. Oop, but that caused a stampede from town. Oops, it hasn't gone yet. Stay in the shelter, Phil. Well, oh, it was a bit sudden. Well. I think it's easing a bit now. Well, almost. Oops, someone's car alarm got off. Didn't think it was that bad, surely. Uh-oh. That's the size of it. I don't think it's anything out of the ordinary, but my word. We can hear it rattling off the roof there of Be Wiser. Uh-oh. Back in the shelter, Phil. Oh, hey. Gordon Bennett on a bike. Never encountered this before. Well. Wow. Well, oh, I think it's just going now. Cool. As quick as it came over, there it was gone. Ooh, thought it'd been moving any slower. I think we'd have probably had a clap of thunder or two from that, but luckily not. Oh, back of Cameo there. Yeah. Still coming down, but not as bad. Yes. And yet blue sky. Oh. Mr. Sunshine over yonder. Yeah.